Well guys, to set up your payment on remotask, after you log in, you will see that status of your payment. Like for me, I have recent payouts $1.89 and pending payments is $5.04. Now let's see, I will see how much total balance I have. So if you click on your balance, they will bring you to this page where you will see your total earning is, like for me, is $6.94. So this is my total earning. But now let's see, we'll set up payments. Okay, now if you go to your account, it will bring you to this page where you will see account setting, profile, password and security, and at the end you will see payments. So click on payments. After you click on payments, you will see payment gateway. There is two options. One is PayPal and airtime. So for me, I will select airtime and I'll put my email address over here associated with the air team. So after you doing this, you submit. So your payment setup will be done and they will pay you automatically every week. Now let's see how much they paid me and if I received the payment on airteam or no. So as I showed you, my recent payouts is $1.89. So let's see if I received this amount or no. So for that, I will go to my email, which email is associated with airtime. So let's go to the email. After I go to the email, you will see that I have received an email. So click on that email. You will see the option. They said remotask payments received, and you received this much amount from the remotask. Okay, this is the email came. Now let's go to airteam account. So this is my airteam account. You see my balance is 1.89 main balance, and this is recent activity where this is remotask payment received 1.89. okay, and then you see the date, last update date, and status is complete. This much amount I have got from the remotask via airteam. Now for the PayPal is the same things. The main things is you have to set up your payment from the remotask and they will pay automatically every week. Thank you for watching.